the four core Igbo totem that I mentioned and what it symbolized, what they symbolized. The python, aka the eagle, ugo, tortoise, mbe, and agho, leopard. The four core Igbo totems. Like I said, that Igbo, they have several totems. Different families, they have their totems, trees, streams, mountains, hills, what have you, forests, river, that are family totems, clans totem, community totem, village totems. And under the cola tree, our stories unfold.